In the state of Gujarat in western India lies Kutch. It is the largest district in the state. Kutch is famous for its exquisite ethnic art and crafts. But not many know about one of its treasure troves of biodiversity, the Abdasa taluka. Nestled in Kutch, the Abdasa taluka harbors a variety of ecosystems such as grasslands, scrub forests, and coastal areas. Abdasa is the last refuge of the Great Indian Bustard, a critically endangered bird in Gujarat. The bird has been extirpated from majority of its former range. The global population of the species is believed to be less than 200 individuals. Abdasa is the only place in Gujarat where 3 species of bustards can be seen. The Great Indian Bustard and the lesser FLORICAN breed in this region. And the McQueen's bustard is a winter visitor. The scrub forests and grasslands of the region are also a safe haven for other bird species. The berries of the Ziziphus mauritiana are a vital winter food source to many of them. This plant is equally important to local livestock. The critically endangered sociable lapwing has also been reported from the area. The vulnerable Stoliska's bushshed is a regular winter visitor, which is also known as the dancing lady for its puff and roll dance. Some of the other important birds found in the area are the grey-necked bunting, the chestnut-bellied sandgrouse, the Isabelline shrike, and the Isabelline wheatear. Raptors like the common kestrel, lesser kestrel, peregrine falcon, and black-winged kite are known to depend on the spiny-tailed lizard, which is one of their important food sources in the area. The common stone-chat, bimaculated lark, and yellow-wattled lapwing can also be spotted here. On a windy winter morning, a black drongo scans the area and dives as it sights its unsuspecting prey. A flock of common babblers also arrive at the site and start feeding on insects. The region provides food to a large number of species, but gradually, as winter recedes and the harsh summer arrives, competition and scarcity increases, and winter visitors start returning home. Gradually, the landscape starts becoming dry, and scarcity of fodder becomes a serious concern for pastoralists. They migrate from one place to another in search of grazing grounds. Local communities begin harvesting grass from grasslands to feed their livestock. The resident species are well adapted to the harsh conditions, but yet eagerly await the monsoon. Though Kutch receives the lowest rainfall in the state, which is around 370 millimeters, even a small shower changes the landscape completely. The pastoralists make their way back home as the rain revives their grazing grounds. Monsoon marks the breeding season of many resident species. In addition to their breeding plumage, they try to attract mates in other ways as well. Some of them are incredible architects. Some of them are remarkable singers. And some march with elegance. Parental care is a very crucial duty to ensure the survival of offspring. Some of them protect their eggs beneath the surface, and some build floating nests. With the passage of time, young ones learn well and grow up, and begin resembling their parents. Many passage migrants visit Kutch for a few days during the monsoon. And some of them, like the rufous-tailed scrub robin, add an aesthetic charm to the landscape through their dance. While others, like the spotted flycatcher and the red-backed shrike, help in controlling the insect population. As soon as the passage migrant leave the region, the winter visitors starts arriving. The coastal area of Kutch become one of the important entry points in the state for migratory aquatic birds. The monsoon showers revive the wetlands, and the birds return to the region again. The crabs on the coastline, which are usually overlooked, play a vital role in the ecosystem and also attract crab plovers, a species of interest to many birdwatchers. The Pacific golden plover also adds charm to the coastline through its beautiful and unique plumage and behavior. The slither of lizards attracts birds like the great thickney, which spends most of its time on the shoreline. One of India's largest mangrove patches can be seen in Abdasa. Ecologically important coastal area also support the local economy. Abdasa's salt industry produces glaciers of salt, which reaches the different corners of the nation with the help of modern technology. The salt pans of Abdasa are a very important habitat. The deep waters of some salt pans become a winter habitat to the migratory black-necked grebe, a fantastic diver. They provide shelter and food to the birds, and in return, some of them add nutrients to the water and weed out unwanted substances. The earthquake of the year 2001 has damaged the cultural heritage and altered the ecological balance in the region. The accelerated infrastructural growth has fatally affected the wildlife of the area and is also changing the fragile ecosystem of the region. People's ignorance towards conservation of natural resources is posing a grave threat to the survival of the fauna. Traditional crop patterns and agricultural practices are being overshadowed by modern technology. The excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides has increased pollution in grasslands and wetlands. The last home of the Great Indian Bustard is in grave danger. Wolves have been extirpated from most of the revenue areas. The rapid increase in the population of blue bulls indicates the absence of a predator. Anthropogenic interference has disturbed the delicate balance in the web of ecosystems. The future of this pristine landscape is bleak. This is the last call to save Abdasa.